Hey, it's Bey, and I've been obsessed with notebooks and stationery stuff ever since I was a kid. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Popov Leather A5 Notebook cover, which is a great accessory to have to protect your notebook and bring personality to it. Big thanks to Popov Leather for sending over their A5 leather notebook and the Leuchtturm 1917 notebook for me to review, but everything that I say in this video are my own thoughts and opinions. Ryan Popov, the owner of Popov Leather, started out doing this just as a hobby, but now he is doing this every day, I assume for a living. That's such an inspiration to me because someday I would love to be creating content on YouTube full time. Anyways, the Popov Leather A5 notebook cover is made from USA Horween Chrome XL full grain leather, and it comes in black, cream, or navy, and they are all hand sewn with tiger thread. You also have the option to add pen loops and a free engraving if you want. Make sure to take a good long sniff of the cover once you receive it. Putting in a notebook wasn't difficult at all. The one I have here is the Leuchtturm 1917 lined hardcover journal, and it fits in there perfectly. I'm very sorry for mispronouncing the name because I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong. They also tested notebooks such as the Rhodia hardcover, Hobonichi Techno Cousin, Moleskine A5, and Clairefontaine A5 notebooks, and they all fit. Basically, this thing fits an A5 notebook that's 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. The pen loops are a great addition to have in my opinion. You can use them to keep your notebook closed by feeding your pen through both of the pen loops. However, what I like to do is carry one pen in each pen loop so that I can carry two pens. You can't really keep the notebook closed if you do this, but the trade-off is worth it in my opinion. I primarily use fountain pens and the pen loops can hold them no problem. If you have a more thicker pen or a rectangular pen, you might have difficulty putting it in the pen loop. If you want a more cleaner look, you can go without the pen loops if you don't need them. On the inside of the front part of the cover, you have 3 pockets for cards. It can be used for your ID, business cards, credit cards, or whatever. The pockets are kind of tight at first, but they will stretch out to adapt to your carry. I don't really use the card slots because I like to keep a separate wallet, but you could carry this around as your main wallet, I guess, if you're planning to carry your notebook wherever you go. I wish I had one of these leather notebook covers when I was a kid. This notebook cover goes for $94, but you definitely get what you pay for because it's made from the highest quality leather. Over time, your cover will get scratched and beat up like mine, but I really love that look and it just gives your cover more personality. I also love the idea of being able to switch out notebooks and have the same cover. This thing will definitely last a lifetime, and if not, it does have a lifetime warranty, so you have nothing to worry about. I highly recommend this notebook cover. I'll put a link in the description to their website if you're interested. That was my video review of the Popov Leather A5 notebook cover. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, make sure to visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!